Welcome back to Blue Collar AI. Today, we are attacking the single biggest bottleneck in modern maintenance, information latency. I'm going to show you how to kill the PDF search bar forever. Industrial complexity has outpaced human memory. A standard VFD manual is over 400 pages. A DCS system? Try 2000. When a machine trips, the answer is in there, but it's buried in a haystack. This is the equation that kills uptime. You have the competence, you know how to fix the issue. But you have friction, you can't find the data to do it. Every minute you spend scrolling is just expensive downtime. We all know this struggle. You're standing on a ladder. There's glare on your screen. You search for F05 and get 50 matches in the index before you even find the troubleshooting chapter. It's clunky, it's slow, and it's frustrating. Here is the shift. Stop reading your manuals. Start interviewing them. Treat the manual like a senior engineer standing right next to you. You don't read them, you ask them questions. Let's look at a real-world scenario. You have a PowerFlex 525 drive. It trips on a fault code F05. The line is down. The clock is ticking. The old way? You unlock your phone, wait for a 15 megabytes PDF to load on crappy plant Wi-Fi, and spend 10 minutes pinching and zooming to read a tiny matrix. The new way takes 15 seconds. You open the app where your manual is already uploaded. You speak. I have an F05 fault. How do I fix it? Boom. The AI tells you, it's an overvoltage fault. Check the decel time. Check parameter D005. Now, let's take it to the next level using NotebookLM. You can build a site brain. Upload the VFD manual, the transmitter manual, and your loop diagrams all into one project. Warning, critical warning. But pause here for a second. Do not upload confidential company data. Never put passwords, proprietary chemical formulas, or sensitive internal P and IDs into a public AI tool. Stick to public equipment manuals and generic technical docs. Keep your trade secrets off the cloud. Once you have those manuals loaded, you have a superpower: cross-referencing. You can ask, how do I calibrate the Rosemount transmitter to match the PowerFlex input? The AI pulls the calibration steps from source A and the scaling parameters from source B and combines them into one workflow. To get good answers, you need good inputs. If you just say, help me, you get generic advice. You need to use a persona prompt to force the AI to think like a technician. Here is the master mechanic prompt. Screenshot this. It tells the AI, act as a senior tech, prioritize safety, quote specific parameter numbers. This stops the AI from hallucinating and forces it to stick to the book. This shifts your time allocation. Instead of spending 99% of your time searching and 1% fixing, you flip the script. The AI handles the search, you handle the repair. You are no longer a hunter tracking down data. You are a verifier. Your job is to take the answer the AI gives you and validate it against physical reality. The answer is already in your pocket. You just need a better way to extract it. Download the manual for the equipment you're working on tomorrow, and try that prompt. I'll see you in the next one.